join us as we go RVing, cruising, and visiting Disney. Welcome to Retired Life Ollie Style.
Hey, what is up, people? So today I am excited. I am doing an unboxing, not doing a review, just an unboxing because I haven't used it yet. But I'm doing two unboxings. I am doing the Samsung T55 curved monitor that I just purchased from Best Buy, and I am also going to do an unboxing of, I just purchased the MacBook Mini base model. If I can get it out the box. Well, I can't. You'll see it later. But here it is. It is the base model Mac Mini, and we're going to hook it up. And once we get to where everything is hooked up, I'm not going to bore everybody with all that hooking up stuff. There's plenty of people out there that do that. Once it's all hooked up, I'll just show you quickly the setup, and you'll see the unboxing. All right, so let's get to it. And here it is, the Samsung T55 27-inch curved monitor. Comes with the back plate, the base plate. It's kind of heavy. Stand. Let me put that away. Get the box out of the way. And of course, it comes with the power supply. HDMI cables. Power cord, and instruction manuals, booklets. All right, let me get this thing together and we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so item number 2 is the Mac Mini, which I just purchased. I ordered it online from the Mac store, the online Mac store, and then I went to the Apple store to pick it up. Sorry, I said the Mac store. It's the Apple store. We all know what it is. It's the Apple store. But I just picked it up, and we got it back, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what it looks like. Now, I'm sure you people know what it looks like. Hold on. First thing I need to do is grab my glasses because I can't see without my glasses. And then I'd end up cutting myself. I'm sure a lot of you out there have already seen the Mac Mini. It's not brand new, but it is new to me. We purchased this so that we can we started running out of room. We use a MacBook Air to do our video and editing, and plus all of our other like work type stuff. So we decided we would go ahead and treat ourselves and go ahead and go with the Mac Mini. Now, we're novices, we're not professionals or anything like that, and I did a lot of research on a lot of YouTube videos, and a lot of you said that if you're just like doing casual videos and things like that, which we are, that the Mac Mini base model would be more than enough. You don't get much with it. Pretty much it's like an a la carte type computer, but this is the Mac Mini. That's pretty much it. Wow. Pretty much what it is. And you get, of course, the Apple logos and stickers and things like that. And then you also get the power cord. It has a few ports in the back, which everybody recommends to get not dongles, but I forget what you call them. But I guess it is a dongle to where it'll allow you to have more ports. You plug it in to one of the ports and you get more USB, more Thunderbolts, the flash card for your cameras. So if you're downloading stuff, you can kind of do it a little bit easier straight onto the computer. And also to be able to use an external SSD, which I already have. So, but that's it. Quick, easy. Again, I'm not going to go through the pains of showing you the hookup. Most of you probably know it, but I will come back and show you when it's all hooked up and when this thing is fired up. So, all right. Thank you. And we'll be right back.
Now it's time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting.
See y'all.
See you, everybody.
When we wake,
thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content drops.
oh, the good times.